Alright, it is Thursday, August 16, 2018 at 1:59 p.m. Right, let's take a look at some headlines. Earth has mini-moons, and they may solve asteroid mysteries. Earth has had a habit of picking up and later discarding small companions called mini-moons, and these tiny objects could help scientists solve the mysteries of asteroids. That's the conclusion of a recent paper which looked at these mini-moons as potential science targets for research over the next couple of decades. Scientists have spotted only one mini-moon to date, but they think there may be more that are simply too small for instruments to have identified. Some just 3 to 6 feet or 1 to 2 meters in diameter. Mini-moons can provide interesting science and technology testbeds in near-Earth space. Lead study author Robert Jedick, an astronomer at the University of Hawaii, said in a statement released by the publisher of new research. The challenge lies in finding these small objects despite their close proximity, but that could change soon thanks to instruments already being built, called the Large Synoptic Survey Telescope, or LSST. It is designed to excel on tracking temporary events in the sky. The LSST is a dream instrument for discovering tiny, fast-moving asteroids, and we expect it will regularly discover temporary captured objects within the next 5 years. Alright, so the Earth has possibility of mini-moons. That's quite interesting. Alright, India monsoon floods kill 73 in Kerala. Flooding caused by heavy monsoon rains in southeastern India state of Kerala has killed at least 73 people, shut down an airport, and displaced more than 85,000 people, officials have said. The state government said many of those who died were crushed under debris caused by landslides. The Cochin International Airport, one of India's busiest, has been shut until 18 August due to a flooded runway. India's meteorological department had issued a red alert in the state. Rescue operations are underway, and the federal government has sent additional forces to assist local efforts. That is very sad to see that the rains are getting to that level that they're calling a red alert in the state. As you see here, the people are in waist high water, and some have chest high water in the front here, and they're traveling in really dirty water, as you see from the rain and the dirt accumulating and making murky water. That's not good to walk in. May God bless and watch over these people in India. Praying for all the people having to go through floods right now. Alright. This is the SPC Day 1 outlook for slight risk over parts of Oklahoma, eastern Kansas, and western Missouri. You see here the higher chances of bad weather and rain. Alright. Also, Lane could be another hurricane brush with Hawaii next week, similar to Hector over a week ago. That's what I've been saying. Please, people, be prepared for hurricane season. People usually wait 1 or 2 days before a hurricane arrives to start going and getting supplies. This is the time to be getting supplies and being ready. Please be ready for hurricane season. Alright, let's look at Forbidden Knowledge News. A 6.5 Tanga volcano, Alaska. I've been hearing that there's a lot of earthquakes happening that are high magnitude close to Alaska. Oh, look at the strange lights in the sky in England. That's creepy. The strange lights moving about in the sky. Okay. See if there's anything else. Whoa! Devastating flooding continues in Kerala, India, killing nearly 70 people so far, destroying homes and causing massive landslides. This is what I was just reading about. Wow, that is really devastating to see a home just slide entirely, an entire building. Wow. Wow. Alright. And torrential flooding in Chimalhuacan, Mexico. Right, let's take a look at the earthquakes. There have been a lot of earthquakes happening in large earthquakes happening in this region in Alaska. This is a 6.6 in Tanaga Volcano, Alaska. There had been tsunami warning icon, estimated impact alert level icon, shake map maximum estimated intensity icon, and yeah. All right, it's kind of big for that region. Let's see what else this region produced. Produced a 4.4 and a 4.2 right next to it. So those must have been aftershocks. Alright, let's take a look at the northern part of Alaska still being active up here. And there's still smaller um, earthquakes happening. I don't know if the earthquake concentration here kind of pushed the pressure and it caused the larger earthquake down here to accumulate. But that's interesting. Alright, let's take a look at the earthquakes in the United States. A 3.3 northwest of Geysers, California. A 2.9 in Nixon, Texas. A 4.5 in Huajuapan de Leon, Mexico. A 5.2 southwest of Coronito, Nicaragua. Let's take a look at the Caribbean. There's more earthquakes between Dominican Republic and Puerto Rico. A 3.1 in Boca de Yuma, Dominican Republic. A 3.2 in Punta Cana, Dominican Republic. A 3.2 in Punta Cana, Dominican Republic. A 3.3 in Punta Cana, Dominican Republic. A 3.0 in San Antonio, Puerto Rico. A 2.7, 41 kilometers northwest of San Antonio, Puerto Rico, and a 2.5, 19 kilometers north of Arecibo, Puerto Rico. Alright, let's zoom out, see what else. There is a 4.9 on the South Georgia and South Sandwich Islands. Let's take a look at the Japan area. A 4.4 in Vostok, Russia. A 4.9 in Kurilski, Russia. A 4.7 in Marizo Village, Guam. A 4.7 in Mendi, Papua New Guinea. Also a 5.0 in Padang Sidempuan, Indonesia, with a tsunami advisory warning. Please stay safe in that area, guys. A 4.9 in Mohan, India. A 4.3 in Tonga, Burma. A 4.7 in Maulak, Burma. And a 4.3 in Sashpan, Pasand, Iran. Alright, let's take a look at Europe. Europe has a 3.5 in Bosnia and Herzegovina. And a 4.3 in Iran, Pasand, Iran. Alright, that's it for the earthquakes. Guys, I've mentioned it in the other videos. Please be ready for hurricane season. Please pray and help if you can neighbors that are going through flooding or that need help in any rainy season. Helping each other and being good neighbors is what it's all about. Alright guys, stay safe.